Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that the stock market has crashed overnight. The Dow Jones is down 3,000 points. Your 401k balance looks like someone pressed the delete button, and every news anchor is screaming, "Recession is coming." Sounds scary, right? But here's the truth, market crashes are not rare. They happen more often than most people realize. The question is not if the market will crash again, it's when. And the real question for you is, will you be ready when it happens? Market crashes usually happen when fear takes control of the market. Sometimes it starts with bad economic news, like high inflation or job losses, and suddenly everyone wants to sell their stocks at the same time. Think about it like a crowded movie theater where someone yells fire. Even if the fire is small, the panic makes people rush for the exits. That's exactly how the stock market works. When fear spreads, prices fall fast, and the domino effect begins. The truth is, emotions drive markets more than logic, and fear is the strongest emotion of all. If you think crashes are rare, think again. In 2008, the housing market collapsed, banks were failing, and the stock market lost nearly 50% of its value. People watched their retirement accounts shrink overnight. Fast forward to 2020, COVID-19 hit, and in just 1 month, the SP 500 dropped 34%. Did the world end? No. The market came back stronger than ever. History shows us one thing. Crashes are temporary, but panic can cause permanent losses if you sell at the wrong time. When the market crashes, the first instinct most people have is to sell. It feels safe because nobody wants to watch their hard-earned money disappear. But here's the problem. Selling during a crash locks in your losses forever. The people who panic and sell always end up buying back later, at a much higher price. Why? Because fear makes them sell and greed makes them return when things look good again. That cycle of fear and greed is why most investors lose money, even when the market goes up in the long run. The best time to prepare for a market crash is before it happens. You need an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in cash. Why? Because if you lose your job during a recession, you don't want to sell investments at a loss just to pay your bills. Next, make sure you're not over-leveraged with debt. High credit card balances and car loans can crush you during a downturn. Finally, diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one stock or one sector. Spread it across index funds, bonds, and maybe a little real estate. When the crash hits, your job is simple. Stay calm and stick to your plan. The worst thing you can do is panic and sell everything. Remember this, crashes don't destroy wealth, selling at the bottom does. Instead, keep investing through the crash if you can. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and it works because you're buying more shares at cheaper prices. If you have extra cash, this could actually be the best opportunity of your life. Warren Buffett says it best. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So what should you do right now in 2025? First, build your emergency fund today. Second, check your debt and kill those high-interest credit cards. Third, invest smart. Focus on low-cost index funds, not random stock tips. And most importantly, keep learning. Knowledge is your best defense against fear. Every market crash in history has been followed by a recovery, and the biggest winners are always the ones who stayed calm and kept investing. Don't let fear control your future. Take control of your money because the next crash isn't a disaster, it's an opportunity.